Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make high quality character AI bots. Let's just begin. So if you want to create character AI bots, it is actually quite simple. You can see we got all of these are basically bots, and these act as different characters. Now what are you going to be doing here is basically you simply need to click on this create character option. Now we got a few characters already created, and we have some which we chat with previously. So I'm going to be clicking on to this option of create. Now by the way, you can upgrade to different um, plans, and you're going to be getting even more options with that. So if you click on create character, you are going to be having this character name, image, which you need to provide. First you can generate an image, description, and once you do, you're going to be coming across something like this. So this is basically how the chat looks. So you can see I was just playing around with this bot that I just created. You can use it for different purposes as well if you want to have some fun, spend some time, and yeah, it is pretty cool. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching.